Washington has made its move and the shockwaves, they are global. Two judges, an international court, and a confrontation that could reshape global justice. You're watching Times XP. My name is Riti Yatri, and the United States has just sanctioned two more judges of the International Court, the Criminal Court. Their crime? Investigating Israel. Let's talk about who are these judges. The name of the first judge is Gocha Lord Kipendis, and the second one is Mr. Demlin, senior ICC judges involved in cases examining alleged war crimes that are linked to Israel's military actions. Now, both of them are facing frozen assets, travel ban to the United States, complete financial isolation from the US system. Now, this is not symbolic. This is pressure, ladies and gentlemen. But why is Washington doing this? Well, the Trump administration says that the ICC has crossed a red line. According to Secretary of State Marco Rubio, the court is running a politicized campaign against Israel. In simple words, the US claims that ICC is no longer neutral. The US is saying that, I'm sorry, but yes. And Israel, Washington says, is being unfairly targeted. But ICC, they have fired back. The court says that these sanctions are an attack on judicial independence, a warning that powerful countries are trying to decide who can be investigated and who cannot. If judges can be punished for doing their job, then what happens to the international law? And here's where it gets more explosive. Well, this is no longer just about Israel, right? Well, reports suggest that the US is now considering broader sanctions on the ICC itself. Not just judges, the whole institution. Why? Because the ICC is also looking at Venezuela, and that makes Washington really nervous. That court has been examining allegations of human rights abuses and crime linked to Venezuelan leadership. Basically, a probe that could embarrass allies or expose uncomfortable truth. And critics are now asking a very sharp question. Is the US really trying to shut down the ICC before Venezuela becomes the next headline? Let's be very clear here. This is unprecedented. Yes, the US is sanctioning judges for investigating war crimes. Now that sends a chilling message. Justice is allowed only if it doesn't touch the powerful. Supporters of the move, they say that the ICC has become political. Israel is being singled out, and American allies, they must be protected. Allies say that this is bullying, this is intimidation, and it could destroy global accountability. You want a bigger picture? Let me present it. This is a battle between power versus law, politics versus justice, national interest versus international rule. And the outcome, it will matter far beyond Israel or Venezuela, because once the courts are punished for asking questions, no investigation is truly safe. The world is watching. The ICC is under siege, and the rules of global justice, they are being rewritten right now.